Hi, welcome to Full Seller channel. This video will guide you how to fulfill Amazon orders while DHL eParcel on Full Seller. The first step, connect your DHL account with Full Seller. Click Setting button, select Order and Shipping. Enter into the Shipping Queries page, click Queries. Tap DHL eParcel. Fill in the information based on each field. If you don't know where you can get this information, you can click View Tutorial to check. Finally, click Connect button. The second step, process orders. Click Order to ship status. Click By Label. 1. Select the warehouse. 2. Check the order information. 3. Fill in the package. You can use the package template or manually enter the package information. 4. Choose DHL as the carrier. 5. Select the corresponding logistic channel. 6. Click on the Buy label. After purchasing the label, it supports printing the packing slip and the picking list for the subsequent shipping process. In addition to the above operations, you can also edit the package size, warehouse, and the logistics channel information on the list page, and then directly by label. To improve efficiency, the list page supports batch operations for the above core functions. After the purchase label is successfully submitted, the order will be transferred to the in-process status. These status include three types: success, failure, and obtaining labels. In success status, support for printing labels, support for clicking to ship and synchronizing the order number to the platform, support for printing packing slip or picking list to complete the subsequent warehouse operations before shipping. If the order needs to be suspended for any special reasons and does not need to be further processed, it can be voided. All of the above information supports batch operations. In failure status, support for repurchasing the shipping labels or reverting to the to-ship status to correct the relevant information before repurchasing the label. If the order needs to be suspended for any special reasons and cannot be further processed, it can be voided. All the information supports batch operations. Obtaining label means the shipping label is being retrieved. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for the channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with Seller customer service.